Did you know every day you inhale about 35 pounds of air? It's like breathing in the weight of a 4-year-old. When you breathe, harmful pollutants like nitrogen oxide in the air enter your body. It's a group of gases that enter the atmosphere by the burning of fuels like coal and oil, and it's also released by motor vehicle exhaust. This causes a change in global warming because there's an increase in temperature. It also changes plant and animal habitats. In humans, it can cause damage to lung tissue and cause major respiratory systems. Unfortunately, pollutants are released into our atmosphere every day. But on the bright side, scientists are finding new ways to reduce concentration. So anyways, to find my article, my friend told me the other day that titanium dioxide can reduce pollutants. I had to check it out. So I went to the John Oliver website and I clicked the library, clicked database, and it was academic search premier. And in this bar, I searched down titanium dioxide coatings. And so the first one caught my eye. So, titanium dioxide is a photocatalytic compound. In other words, it promotes chemical reaction by light. Titanium dioxide can be used in the presence of UV radiation from the sun to trap and break down the nitrogen oxide pollutant. So, 4 researchers wanted to find the best method of applying titanium dioxide on concrete pavement using 3 methods. Cement-based coating at 3 and 5%. In previous studies show that coating with less fine particles will have higher porosity and reduce more nitrogen oxide. So they took particles of specific sizes out. So the second one was spraying water-based titanium dioxide we call PT paper. So this experiment was tested under a relative humidity of 50% and room temperature, which is 23 degrees. There were 3 conditions involved: the original state, an aberration, which used a dynamic steel wheel to measure the loss of weight, and wear resistance properties, measuring the surface rotting. And so the results were based on the highest environmental performance in terms of removing the most pollutants and durability. The most efficient methods in removing nitrogen oxide were 5% of titanium dioxide removing 26.9% of nitrogen oxide, and PT paper removing 25% of nitrogen oxide. So, what did I learn? Photocatalytic compounds can be applied to concrete successfully to remove harmful pollutants. But more research is recommended to study the effectiveness of these coatings when exposed to other factors such as debris and oil. So this is the first step in solving the global problem of pollution. Thank you everyone for watching.